Can you help me?
No, I can't.
Do you like milk?
Yes, I do.
Do you like juice?
No, I don't.
What day is it today?
Today is Friday.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
Is this your bag?
Yes, it's mine.
May I help you?
Yes, please.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I do.
Are you okay?
No, I'm sad.
How's the weather?
It's sunny today.
What is her name?
Her name is Lucy.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I do.
Do you like bread?
No, I don't.
Who are you?
I'm Mary.
How are you?
I'm good.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
What is he doing?
He is running.
Do you like me?
Yes, I do.
What do you watch?
I watch cartoons.
Is she your mom?
Yes, she's my mom.
What is he playing?
He is playing cricket.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
When do you watch TV?
I watch TV at 8 p.m.
What time is it now?
It's 7 o'clock.
What are they doing?
They're dancing.
Where are you?
I'm in the bedroom.
What is that?
That's a duck.